Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to provide you 60 most important multiple choice questions based on French Revolution. And I bet after covering all these 60 MCQs, you will not need any other thing regarding this lesson. You are going to cover the complete lesson in this single video in the form of MCQs. So let's begin. The question number 1. The storming of the Bastille occurred on. When did it happen? When did it start? The starting of French Revolution. You know very well. We have options. 14 July 1789, 14 July 1798, 14 July 1777, 14 July 1796. It's very easy to remember. 1789 in sequence. 789, 14 July 1789. So it's very easy to remember 789. Bastille was stormed on 14 July 1789. Question number 2 on your screen. French society was divided into three estates: clergy, nobility, and the third state. So how many states? 3 states. Next one. Who wrote the book Social Contract? This book, Social Contract, was written by Abbe Sieyès, Montesquieu, Rousseau. None of these. This book was written by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. And in this book, for the first time, the idea of one person, one vote was mentioned. This can also be asked. Where can you find the idea of one person, one vote? In which book? In the book Social Contract. Question number 4. Which of the following constituted the privileged class? Privileged, जिनको बहुत सारे अधिकार प्राप्त थे. Which societies were these? These were clergy and nobility. They enjoyed privileges. Fifth one, the most important of the privileges enjoyed by the clergy and nobility. वो कौन से अधिकार थे? The most important privileges enjoyed by clergy and nobility: right to collect dues, ownership of land, participate in wars, exemption from taxes to the state. The last one, they were exempted, उनको टैक्स नहीं देना था. This can also be asked, किसको टैक्स देना पड़ता था? The third state people. Sixth one, who wrote the book Two Treatises of the Government? Who is the writer of the Two Treatises of the Government? किसने लिखा ये book? John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Napoleon, Louis XVI. The very first option, किसने लिखा? John Locke ने लिखा. Seventh one, The Spirit of Laws is written by another book, The Spirit of Laws. Who is the writer of The Spirit of Laws? Montesquieu. Montesquieu is the writer of The Spirit of Laws. Eighth one, which of the following refuted, there is a word, refuted, proved wrong. That means to prove wrong, गलत साबित करना. The doctrine of divine and absolute right. Who proved it wrong? It was John Locke. Ninth one, Napoleon crowned himself as Emperor of France in which year? It's very easy. He crowned himself as Emperor of France in the year 1804. In the same year, he introduced Napoleonic Code, that is also known as Civil Code. Civil Code. 1804. The book that proposed a division of power within the government. Which book proposed a division of power within the government? Where it is mentioned? It is mentioned in the Spirit of the Laws. It is written in the Spirit of the Laws. Who was the King of France at the time of the Revolution? It's very easy. King of France was Louis XVI from Bourbon family. And when he enthroned, he found empty treasure. खजाना बिल्कुल खाली था. He was forced to increase taxes. 12th one, the head of Jacobin Club. Who was the head of Jacobin Club? It was Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre was the head of Jacobin Club. 13. Slavery finally abolished in French colonies in. फाइनली एबोलिश हो जाती है फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज़ में स्लेवरी, गुलामी. कब? 1748, 1848, 1948. नेवर. इट वॉज इन 1848 when slavery finally abolished in French colonies. 14th question. The States General was last convened in which year? It was last convened in 1614. कब? 1614 में. उसके बाद जब लुई 16 किंग बनता है तो फिर से एक मीटिंग स्टेट्स जनरल की बुलाई जाती है. Where did the third state form and announce the National Assembly? थर्ड स्टेट पीपल ने अनाउंस किया कि हम एक नेशनल असेंबली बनाएंगे. कहाँ पे? इंडोर टेनिस कोर्ट, हॉल ऑफ मिरर्स, सेंट पॉल्स चर्च, विंटर पैलेस. वेयर? इन अ टेनिस कोर्ट. इंडोर टेनिस कोर्ट. Member of the third state were led by. Who led the members of the third state? Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette, Lenin and Kerensky, Mirabeau and Abbe Sieyès, Rousseau and Voltaire. So who were these? These were Mirabeau and Abbe Sieyès. The unit of currency of France which was discontinued in 1794. ऐसी कौन सी करेंसी थी जो 1794 में डिसकंटिन्यू कर दी जाती है? रूबल, लिवरा, टाइद, टेल. इट वॉज लिवरा. A broken chain symbolized. Broken chain is the symbol of what? Chains used to fetter slaves. गुलामों को बांधने के लिए. Strength lies in unity. Royal power. Act of becoming free. Broken chain symbolized the act of becoming free. 19th one. The winged woman personified national colors of France. Act of becoming free. Personification of law. Rays of the sun will drive away the clouds. Which one? Personification of law. So what is correct of personification of law? 20th one. One of the most important of politically active women in revolutionary France. Marie Antoinette, Italia, Olympe de Gouges, Marion. Olympe de Gauche. Olympe de Gauche. Which of the following symbolized eternity? Sceptre, eye within a triangle radiating light, the law tablet, snake biting its tail to form a ring. So what is correct option? Snake biting its tail to form a ring. 22. Which of the following were the national colors of France? फ्रांस के नेशनल कलर्स ड्यूरिंग फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन, ड्यूरिंग फ्रेंच एरा, रिवॉल्यूशनरी एरा कौन से थे? ब्लू ग्रीन येलो, रेड ग्रीन ब्लू, ब्लू वाइट रेड, येलो रेड वाइट, ब्लू वाइट रेड. These were the colors, blue, white, red. 23. What is the national anthem of France? We the people, Rose de Lille, Le Moniteur, Universal, the Marseillaise. Which one? The Marseillaise is the national anthem of France. Jacobin planned an insurrection. Insurrection. That means a violent uprising against authority. In other words, you can say mutiny, विद्रोह, rebellion. कब प्लान किया इन्होंने? In the winter of 1792, in the summer of 1792, in the summer of 1793. Never. When? In the summer of 1792. France on 21st September 1792 was declared a, what was it declared? France was declared as a republic. When? On 21st September 1792, republic. 26. The newspaper on which the speech of Robespierre was printed. The World, Le Moniteur, Universal, The Dawn, none of these. So that newspaper was Le Moniteur, Universal. 27. What was the most important legacy of the French Revolution? Legacy, heritage. क्या दिया विरासत में फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन ने लगभग सभी कंट्रीज को? द आइडियाज़ ऑफ लिबर्टी, फ्रीडम, डेमोक्रेटिक राइट्स, ऑल ऑफ दीज. It's very easy, all of these. Next one, 28. Who composed the patriotic song Marseillaise? Maximilien Robespierre, Marie Antoinette, Rose de Lille, Mirabeau. Who composed it? It was composed by Rose de Lille. You have to pronounce it like that, Rose de Lille. 29. What did the red cap worn by sans-culottes? Sans-culottes, the follower of Jacobin clubs, were known as sans-culottes. In France, it symbolized what? Liberty, azadi. Next one, 30. The political body representing the three states of pre-revolutionary France. What was that political body? Parliament of France, National Assembly, a States General, a States Committee. What was this? This was a States General. 31. Who became the Emperor of France after the dismissal of Directory? जब डायरेक्टरी का रूल ख़त्म हो जाता है तो कौन बनता है एम्परर ऑफ फ्रांस? इट्स वेरी इजी. लुई 16, नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट, रॉबेस्पियर, नन ऑफ दीज. नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट became the Emperor of France after the dismissal of Directory. 32. What was the main objective of National Assembly in France? नेशनल असेंबली का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था? लिमिट द पावर्स ऑफ चर्च, लिमिट द पावर्स ऑफ मोनार्क, लिमिट द पावर्स ऑफ पीपल, नन ऑफ दीज. The main objective was to limit the powers of monarch. On what charges was Louis XVI guillotined? Cruelty, treason, absolute rule, misgovernance. He was charged of betrayal of one's country. अपनी कंट्री को धोखा देने का चार्ज इस पे लगाया जाता है. So what is this out of these options? Treason. Treason means to betray one's country, betrayal of one's country. Tithe was collected from French peasants by who collected these taxes? Tithe. The church, the emperor, the nobles, chief of the army. Tithe was collected by the church, clergy class. 35. The Bastille was hated by all in France because it stood for the despotic power of the king. It was a fortress prison. Prison in charge tortured the prisoners. It housed dreaded criminals. The very first option. It stood for the despotic power of the king. Next one, 36. Louis XVI ascended the throne in which year? 1784, 1774, 1788, 1798. When Louis XVI राजा बनता है, गद्दी पे बैठता है, कब? In the year 1774. Who became his wife? उसकी वाइफ कौन बनी? Mary Antoinette became his wife. Mary Antoinette. How many American colonies were helped under Louis XVI? कितनी कॉलोनीज को हेल्प किया लुई 16 ने? 14, 15, 13, 16. और हेल्प करने की वजह से ये कर्जे में चला गया. 13 colonies, 13 अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज वर हेल्प्ड. जो ब्रिटिश कॉलोनीज थी उनको आज़ाद कराने के लिए हेल्प की गई लुई 16 के द्वारा. 13 colonies. An extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. Anonymous, subsistence crisis, plenty, none of these. This is the definition of a word. What is the word? Anonymous, subsistence crisis, plenty, none of these. So that term is subsistence crisis. An extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. 40. Why was the subsistence crisis caused in France? क्या रीज़न था ये subsistence crisis होने का? The wages of the people were low. There was widespread unemployment. Increase in population led to rapid increase in demand of food grains. The government imposed various taxes. So what is the correct option for us? Increase in population led to the rapid increase in the demand of foods. Question number 41. Which state paid taxes? We have already discussed the question in this video itself. कौन टैक्स पे करता था? क्लर्जी, nobility, third state, none of these. So the answer is third state. These two were exempted of tax. The state was forced to increase the taxes. अब जब लुई 16 किंग बनता है तो उसके सामने एम्प्टी ट्रेजर होता है. क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थी? वाई ही वॉज फोर्स्ड टू इंक्रीज द टैक्सेस? टू मेंटेन आर्मी, कोर्ट एक्सपेंडिचर्स, रनिंग गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस और यूनिवर्सिटीज, all of these. So all these factors were there. So what is our correct option? All of these. For maintaining his army, to meet the expenses of court, for running government, for running offices or universities. 43. Louis XVI called an assembly of Estates General to pass proposals for new taxes on. कब बुलाता है ये लुई 16 मीटिंग? When? 5th May 1789, 14 July 1789, 8th May 1789. None of these. When? It was on 5th May 1789. कब बुलाया गई मीटिंग? 5th May 1789 को. 44. Who could vote during French Revolution era? कौन वोट कर सकता था? फ्रांस में वोटिंग राइट्स किसके पास थे? मैन अबव 25 ईयर्स. यस, ये तो सही है. मैन हु पेड टैक्सेस इक्वल्स टू एटलीस्ट 3 days ऑफ अ लेबरर्स वेज. कम से कम उसका जो टैक्स होना चाहिए 3 दिन के मजदूर की मजदूरी के बराबर होना चाहिए. बोथ ए एंड बी, ये दोनों ऑप्शन सही हैं. सो व्हाट इज आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन? बोथ ए एंड बी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बिलीव्ड सोशल पोजिशन मस्ट डिपेंड ऑन मेरिट? ये किसके विचार थे? मिडिल क्लास, नोबिलिटी, वर्कर्स, पीजेंट्स. These were the thoughts of, beliefs of middle class. Middle class believed social position must depend on merit. 46. Which term is usually used to describe the society and institutions of France before 1789? Very important question. कौन सी टर्म का इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम उस एरा को बताने के लिए? द सोसाइटी एंड इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ फ्रांस बिफोर 1789, बिफोर फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन. न्यू रेजीम, ओल्ड रेजीम, मिडिल रेजीम, नन. दिस इज नोन एज ओल्ड रेजीम. व्हाट इज दिस नोन एज? ओल्ड रेजीम. हु रोट द इन्फ्लुएंशियल पैम्फलेट? व्हाट इज द थर्ड स्टेट? ये इंपॉर्टेंट पैम्फलेट, द थर्ड स्टेट. व्हाट इज द थर्ड स्टेट? किसने लिखा ये पैम्फलेट? मिराबियो, एबे सियास, रूसो. नन ऑफ दीज. दिस वॉज रिटन बाई एबे सियास. I would like to remind you, you have to tell me in comment section after attempting all these questions. Tell me in comment section how many of your answers that you attempted were correct out of these 60 questions. So do tell me in comment section what was your answer, what was your score. Bundle of rods or faces symbolized royal power, equality before law, law is same for all, strength lies in unity. आपने वो कहानी ज़रूर सुनी होगी, पढ़ी होगी कि एक इंसान के 4 बच्चे होते हैं, चारों आपस में झगड़ा करते हैं. उनको एक दिन वो लकड़ी का एक गट्ठर दे देता है और कहता है तोड़ो इसको. नहीं तोड़ पाते, फिर बारी बारी सबको एक एक लकड़ियाँ देता है, सब तोड़ देते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस बंडल नोन एज? दिस इज़ अ सिंबल ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ लाइज इन यूनिटी. एकता में ताकत होती है, शक्ति होती है. 49. मेंबर्स ऑफ जैकोबिन क्लब वर नोन एज. जो जैकोबिन क्लब के मेंबर्स होते थे उनको हम क्या कहते थे? इसी वीडियो में मैंने आपको ये बताया है. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, कंजर्वेटिव्स, रिवोल्यूशनरीज, टेररिस्ट. सन कोलटस. यस, सन कोलटस. 50. Which of the following was a factor in the rise of Napoleon? Fall of Jacobin government, Robespierre's reign of terror, political instability of the Directory, nationalist forces. Political instability of the Directory was a factor in the rise of Napoleon. 51. The word guillotine during French Revolution era refers to. अब ये गिलोटिन वर्ड फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन के टाइम क्या रेफर करता है? What is the meaning of this term? Beheading a person, awarding a person, taxing a person, threatening a person. Louis 16 was guillotined. उसका सिर काट के धड़ से अलग कर दिया गया था. So what is the meaning? This refers to beheading. beheading का मतलब सिर अलग कर देना. A person. 52. Castle or stately residence belonging to a king or noble man. What is this known as? One word for castle or stately residence belonging to a king or noble man. This is known as Château. Château. So what is this known as? Château. National Assembly passed decree abolishing the feudal system. Feudal, सामंतवाद व्यवस्था. Feudal system on 4 March 1789, 4 August 1789, 4 July 1789. None of these. Feudal system, first of all, king. Just below it, there are nobles. Just below it, there are slaves. 4 August 1789. National Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system on 4 August 1789. Which out of these was not established as natural and inalienable rights? अब इसमें से कौन सा नेचुरल या इनएलिएनेबल राइट्स में नहीं रखा गया था? राइट टू लाइफ, राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी, राइट टू स्पीच, इक्वलिटी बिफोर लॉ. इसमें से कौन सा नहीं था नेचुरल एंड इनएलिएनेबल राइट्स में? दिस वॉज राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी. ये नहीं दिया गया था नेचुरल और इनएलिएनेबल राइट्स में. The National Assembly voted to declare war against Prussia and Austria in कब? April 1791, April 1792, April 1793, April 1794. When? In April 1792. The National Assembly voted to declare war against Prussia and Austria. When? In April 1792. जैकोबिन गॉट इट्स नेम फ्रॉम. अब ये जैकोबिन जो नेम मिला जैकोबिन क्लब को, वो कहाँ से मिला, कहाँ से लिया इन्होंने ये नेम? द फॉर्मर कॉन्वेंट ऑफ सेंट जैकब फ्रॉम पेरिस. अ लीडर ऑफ प्रसा लुई 16 से मिला. नन ऑफ दीज. सो दे गॉट इट्स नेम फ्रॉम द फॉर्मर कॉन्वेंट ऑफ सेंट जैकब इन पेरिस. 57. नेपोलियन वॉज फाइनली डिफीटेड एट. कौन सी जगह पे नेपोलियन हारता है, कब हारता है? इट वॉज इन 1815. कौन सा बैटल था वो? दैट बैटल वॉज ऑफ वाटरलू. व्हेन नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट वॉज फाइनली डिफीटेड. 58. फ्रेंच वुमेन डिमांडेड द राइट टू. क्या डिमांड थी फ्रेंच वुमेन की? The leaders like Olympe de Gauss demanded the rights to vote, be elected to hold the assembly, hold political office, all of these. So what is correct option for us? All of these. They demanded all of these because they were deprived of all these facilities. Next one, that is second last question in this video. Once again I would like to remind you, do tell me in comment section what was your score out of 60 questions. In which year women in France won the right to vote? अब ये राइट टू वोट वुमेन को फ्रांस में किस साल मिलता है? 1945 में, 1946 में, 1947 में, 1948 में? कब? इन द ईयर 1946। कब मिला? इन द ईयर 1946। Now the last question that we have, who said the task of representing the people is given to the rich? Mirabeau, Jean-Paul Marat, Rousseau, none of these. This was written by a journalist in his newspaper whose name was Jean-Paul Marat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button. If you are new at the channel, do remember to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for